out on the range today, spending a little time with my Smith & Wesson Model 617. Thought, you know what, be a good time right now to talk about gifts for the gun owner under 10 bucks. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac, and welcome back to the channel. Now, moving forward in this video, all the stuff we're going to talk about, there will be links below, so check those out if you want more information. We are out on the range today, live fire with the Smith & Wesson 617, and anytime we're out on the range, of course, safety first, got my eyes on, my ears in, so no problems there. Now, eye and ear pro is absolutely something that is a necessity for firearm owners. That goes without saying. And whether we're talking about your primary eye and ear pro or you're talking about having a spare, eye and ear pro can be had for less than 10 bucks. Give you an example, some of these Radians, now these are full frame glasses. Just look them up really quick on Amazon, less than 10 bucks. As for what I use, this is a custom pair of Hunter's HD Gold. I swear by them, have been the official eye protection eyewear of the channel for a while now. On the front of Hearing Pro, you can pick up a jug or a jar of the Radiant's little foam plugs for less than 10 bucks over on Amazon as well. And for sharing at the range or for those situations where you take a friend to the range, well, those work out really well. They're handy to have, and honestly, they might be something that a lot of people don't pick up, the extra ones for themselves. Now, as far as the, I guess, quote-unquote, official ear pro of the channel here, it's going to be AXIL Hearing Performance. Currently today, wearing my AXIL GS Extremes. Now, let's move on to the world of cleaning, because responsibility of every firearm owner out there is going to keep their guns, of course, cleaned and maintained. And a couple things on that front. Microfiber cloths, cheap option. You can pick those up a lot of places, definitely less than 10 bucks. Usually you can pick up a 2 or 3 pack easily for that price. And that's great for wiping your firearms down at the range, or they come in really handy when you use them to do an actual cleaning of your firearm. Interestingly enough, if you pick up a field kit from our good friends at Aegis Gun Care, they do offer a kit that comes with everything you need, including that microfiber cloth. Now, when you are cleaning those firearms, you're definitely going to want to protect the surface you're working on. That could be your kitchen counter, it could be your work desk, whatever the case may be. And for that, you're going to need a cleaning mat. And you can definitely pick up some of the fabric-based, usually they're felt or something like that, cleaning mats for less than 10 bucks. Now, a more expensive option, but definitely a premium item, is going to be a silicone style cleaning mat. And I know that our good friends at Ransom International offer one that's pretty cool. Instead of being fabric-based, obviously it's silicone. You can wipe it clean when you're done. It's sort of impervious to the solvents and lubes and things like that. And finally today, let's talk a little bit about targets. Now, with the Smith & Wesson 617 here, I am shooting at my steel targets downrange, particularly the turkey target down there. And steel targets are a nice option. Really hard to find those. Probably not going to find those for less than 10 bucks. One thing that is very beneficial to new firearm owners out there, or any firearm owner out there, is going to be target pasters. These are little stickers you can put over the holes on your target. If you're talking about a paper target, and you can really extend the life of those paper targets. Now, for paper targets, we use products specifically here on the channel from Outdoor Products Plus. Why? Because they have a huge variety of all different kinds of targets. And you can pick up literally 1,000 or more of the little paster stickers for less than 10 bucks. So there you go, crew. Just a few gun owner gift ideas under 10 bucks with a few premium options sprinkled in there as well. If you are looking for more content on some of the things we talked about in this video, well, you can click right over here and get to those. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.